Hello friends, so I've decided to record another video just to give you a glimpse of a few PDF files that I've been working on. It's pretty interesting if you just see for yourself. So basically what I do is I just, do some study work and stuff in accordance to what I do online, mainly on LinkedIn and on Facebook, but mainly on and my focus is on LinkedIn right now. I actually pulled I think a sales page today. I use this software called System.io. It's like a sales funnel software. I'll give you a run through on what I built and how I built it, and I'll just show you in detail what it is that I was busy with today. Starting with my LinkedIn profile. Okay, now let's go. Okay, so I'm bringing you close up. Sorry about the noises in the background. Just want you to see as close up as possible. Now I'm going in. Now, this is my LinkedIn that I'm going to at this very moment. Alright, let's Google search. I'm going into LinkedIn right now. And I'm as close up as possible. So yeah, this is the feed of LinkedIn. That's a message that came through. This is this one guy that I sent the connection request to. As you know, every week you get a few connects that you can send a week. That's the messaging section there. I believe you can see that red little marker there, right here. That's the messaging section. This is the network. I'll give you a run through. This is the networking section where you can see which requests came through and when. Now this is your home page. This is your networking connection page. This is your job searching section where you can apply for jobs for those that is interested in the job section. This is a puzzle that you can solve. LinkedIn does this. This is like this mini Sudoku, the Tangos, like different puzzles for those people that's interested in playing some games. And this is where you can send people, let me just go a little bit down, connection requests that people on their profiles. I can send a connect to any of these people, but I'm not the type of guy that just spams connects, so I won't do that at this moment. What I will do is I will browse through just to show you guys how this thing actually works. This is people's profile. It's actually been a while since I've seen someone with a green open to work banner. It's not very common anymore, but I digress. So this is where you can see your groups. You can create groups, you can join groups over there. This is your event section, different events, what events are. Obviously, this is a page. Okay, I don't know what. It's that one there. Let's have a look at this page. This is this is my profile. Not my profile, my page, where it's like a business company page. So that's mine. That's one that I created with that's the only company page that I follow. That's mine. And there's newsletters, and it's notifications, like when you, like this guy endorsed me. This is my post, my recent post. Let me just give you a show on my recent post. Now this was my post that I posted. Let's read it. I don't think you can see it because this is the front camera that I'm recording on. So let's give it a read. Most people treat LinkedIn like a messaging problem. Say this, don't say that. Test in your opener, but LinkedIn lead generation isn't a copy issue. It's a signal issue. Right. Test in your opener. Yeah, I said that already. It's a signal issue. Every time you show up on the platform, you're broadcasting something, whether you mean to or not. Your profile, your comments, your posts. It's intentional communication. When you post, positioning is sharp. People recognize you before you contact them, which is true. People do recognize you before you contact them. They can either put you in a box to say that no, this person is a bot account, or is just some kind of person that just is trying to waste my time. They do put you in a box. They look at your profile, look at your posts, look at your feed, they look at everything before they respond to you. The conversation starts halfway down the road, and that is very true. When it's not, so in other words, when things are not in order, everything feels like a cold reset. You're constantly introducing yourself, you're checking in instead of moving forward. That's what turns LinkedIn noise into a pipeline. If you know you're credible, you're capable, having your offer, but your LinkedIn presence feels scattered, passive. I help tighten your positioning. That's what I basically do with communication. And communication, so the conversation leads somewhere. So yeah, that's if they are ready to move forward, and I want them to send the word momentum. That's like some kind of signal. Now let's get to the comment section. Now I want to show you this part. This is the interesting part now. Now in the commenting section, I put like key points, and as you can see this here, this is key points that are coming from my post that I just reiterate into this as to keep the conversation flowing so that people can start speaking. I'm going to show you something. Now you can see this is 13 comments altogether. Alright, so this post is that. And then this people, and then I would put certain links, like that's my Linktree. If you don't know what Linktree is an embedded link of embedded box of like links where you can like put all your links in one place, and you don't even like scatter it around. You can let me just give you a show so you can see what it is. Now this is Linktree now. You can embed different links into Linktree, like this one is for a Zoom call, this one is to download an ebook. This is for LinkedIn Connect. For anyone that's interested in connecting with me on LinkedIn, let me give you a show with the ebook. Let me give you a show on the ebook. So this is like some kind of this is a page where I get people to sign up for my ebook. You know, it's a lead magnet, so to say. You can see there's a video also that I've connected to this about me speaking. And this is for them to take this lead magnet, and I can show you that's people that I've interacted with, and this is also a message that a guy sent me when I was interacting with this person at the time, and this is also a video that I had with this person. It was like a Zoom call that we had. This person, I actually found him on Facebook. It was very interesting. Now let's click on getting the blueprint. You want to see obviously the ebook. There you go. There's the ebook. I'll show you. There's the ebook. So if it's free, if you're interested, you can just tap in there and then I want this, and it'll take you to the checkout page and you will get it for free. So I gave you the show in regards to that. This is for the meeting, for anyone that wants to book a meeting with me. This is also people I've interacted with, previous clientele, so on and so forth. This is also a video that you can attach so that people can see what you're speaking about. This is what I was speaking about. Yeah. So this is all interesting stuff, man. It's about providing value to people and how you can help them in such and such. And this is where this leads to the Academy, so that they can also schedule a meeting with me if they're interested in having one. So that's that. Takes you to the Calendly, and then you can just select the date on when you want to hold that meeting with me. You can just pick a date now. This is the 31st is open. That's for tomorrow. I don't have any calls for tomorrow, so I just feel tired, man. I need a rest. I just feel exhausted this time of the year. Exhausted this time of the year. I'm not gonna go into that message right now. I'm gonna go into it later. So that was like some kind of walkthrough to my post that I had. I want to show you guys the YouTube channel that I made. This is my YouTube channel. I just want to show you my profile. Hopefully you can see something. That's my profile, the banner. That's the profile picture, the DM King Fredericks, which I believe I am. There you go, can you see that? That's typical call. That's for the ebook. For those people that's interested, download that ebook. And this is my latest posts. I want to show all posts. There you go. This is last month. Sorry for the sounds in the background. And this is a month ago, 2 weeks ago. This is a week ago, so that's like a month ago, and this is 2 days ago. This isn't back to back, but it's not far from each other. I'm not going back to my profile. I'm going down. This is my experience. Obviously, I put in my business name and all that, my expertise and who I am and what I do and all the good stuff. Basically, how I help people, certifications and all the good stuff. All the good stuff. You can see it here. Goals are also overrated. Systems win online, which is so true. Couldn't say any less. That is super true. Yeah, I got an endorsement today by some guy. I know he probably found something interesting in my profile. This is the message. I'm not going to enter those messages right now. Just leave it at that. I'm not going to answer him right now. I'm going to answer him later. Oh yeah. This is my YouTube channel, which I said I wanted to show you. Just hold on. Just give me a second. I don't know what happened. It's just went out again. Click over to YouTube. There you go. This is my YouTube channel, guys. Like and subscribe. I've got a lot of content on here about myself. This video is also going on today. And I'll leave it at that for today. Hopefully you found value in that video. In this little video, I know it's 30 minutes long, but hopefully you got some kind of bird view on my profile and have some ideas. Anything that caught your eye, you can just let me know in the comment section. Hope you found value in it. If not, I hope you were entertained. Thank you so much and have a nice one.